Hi fellow travelers! Now in this video, I am finally sharing our apartment here in Boston, Massachusetts. So if you've been watching my videos, then you might have noticed that I usually show our apartment when we're about to move to a new city. Yeah, so we're moving to a new city. Well, technically, we're just gonna move back there. So all I can say is that it's gonna be in California. Plus, we actually wanna get away or we wanna leave before we have a major winter storm or a heavy snowfall. I can't wait to show you our move, but for now, let me give you a tour inside our apartment. Hey, welcome back to Angel's Video Diary, and it's me, your travel angel. Here, I share things to do in a city and provide travel tips as well. All right, so let's start the tour. So this is the main entrance, the front door, and I also have that sign over there just in case someone needs to go inside the apartment, like the maintenance guy. I want them to wear a mask. So when you enter the apartment, the kitchen is gonna be on the left side. So we actually got an unfurnished apartment. Remember when we were in Philly, in Palm Springs, and also our first apartment here in Boston, we got a furnished apartment. But for this apartment, we got an unfurnished one because we thought we have some furniture in a storage in New York. So we figured, to just transfer everything here, and that's what we did. For this apartment tour, I'm just gonna do a room transformation, basically focusing more on the living room area. And I'm also not gonna show you the bedroom because I didn't decorate it. So pretty much it's quite boring inside. But anyway, welcome to the kitchen again. So this is it. It is quite small, but it's not too bad. I mean, as long as there is a dishwasher, I'm all good. But of course, in the future, I would love to have a huge kitchen. It's kind of weird because I don't like to cook, but I do love to prepare food for Edward. We also had to buy this microwave because they didn't provide a microwave inside the unit. I think this was less than $100. There's not a lot of cabinets, so I had to get creative to be able to fit everything inside, like our plates, our glassware, our pots and pans, the condiments, everything. So it was a bit of a challenge for me to be able to put everything inside, but I did it. Let me show you what's behind this door. So this is where the washer and the dryer is. So we would usually pick an apartment that has a washer and a dryer inside because it's more convenient. It's easier for us to wash our clothes. And we kind of turn it into a storage as well. So you'll see boxes inside. So here we go. Ta-da! So there it is. Behind the mirror right there is our Christmas tree. So I just put it away a few days ago. So this is it. The dryer and the washer. There, I guess we're done right here. So we're gonna go to the living room and my little office. Before I show you the dining area and the living room, let me just show you my coffee and tea bar. So I have my little wine section on top on the counter right here. And then I also have this vase. It's actually a creamer holder. And then I put this fake hydrangea as well. So I think it looks okay. I got this tea organizer or holder because we love to drink tea at night. And this glass jars with lid where I put my coffee pods. And then I have my honey and sugar. I don't put sugar or honey in my coffee anymore, but I actually just put cinnamon and oat milk. So yun lang. So welcome to the dining area. We got this table when we were still in Albany, New York. Edward and I, we wanted to get a counter height dining table because we wanted to have that feel as if we're at a coffee shop. And that's exactly how we feel every time we're here sitting and enjoying our food. I also got this tablecloth to protect the furniture from scratches. I took that photo, I don't know, I'm not sure if it's me or Edward. I took that photo maybe in Houston, Texas, one of the parks in Texas. So this is the living room. So we have a black leather couch. This is actually from my in-laws and we're kind of borrowing it. Originally, they gave it to us since, while we're moving to California, we decided to just return it to them so they have a couch in the basement. And we have pillows from our old couch and I have this minion right here. When I saw this minion, I thought it's super cute, so I had to buy it. Now, let me talk about the coffee table. So originally, it was dark brown and I thought I'm gonna paint it white. And I just added this fake plant and then added these books. Remember when we went to Concord, Massachusetts? If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. So yeah, I bought this when we visited Louisa May Alcott's Orchard House. And of course, when we went to Hartford at Mark Twain's house, we also got his books, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn and Tom Sawyer. But I just thought to add it to give a little bit of decor, just like, you know, the adventure sign. Now the side table, I also painted it white to give the living room a pop of color so it's not too dark. I got this carpet at Home Goods. And of course, we have our entertainment here in the living area. And we got the TV stand at IKEA. And I got those storage boxes at IKEA as well so that we can put things inside, like Edward's PlayStation, his controllers are inside those boxes. And now let me talk about these photos. Once again, it's either me or Edward who took these photos. Definitely Edward took this photo because I'm in the photo. So the first one is at the Brooklyn Bridge. This one's at Joshua Tree, and this is here in Boston, which is over at the USS Constitution. On top of the TV, you'll see photos as well. The first one is at the Museum of Fine Arts in Houston, Texas. The middle photo is at, I think, Washington Square in New York. And this one is at San Diego. We have our little office here. So originally, we only had one desk, and Edward was like, nagselo siya. He was like, how come I don't have a table? So okay, I'm gonna buy you one. This was my table, so I got a bigger one because I'm usually here. I work from home, so I gave him this smaller desk. He has his plant corner right here. He's a plantito. I gave him the responsibility of taking care of the plants. I gave him this pen holder because I got myself a new one. And unfortunately, we only have one office chair. So when he's at home, I would go and transfer everything at the dining table. So that's where I work. I would let him sit on the throne, which usually happens every weekend. And of course, I decorated my office right here. I have all of these wall art. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much for watching. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post a new content. Let's connect on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary. Subscribe to my blog, mypurplepages.com. Hey, remember, continue to spread positivity and I'll see you next time.